Hey guys, welcome to 5Fin, a series where I'll be asking 5 quick financial questions to immigrants in the US to learn how money, mindset, and life change across borders. Let's get to know them first. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Kanchan.
What do you do for a living?
I have a IT consulting company
What country did you immigrate from?
India.
And lastly, how long have you stayed here in the US?
It has been 22 years.
Awesome, now let's dive into the 5Fin questions. From your experience, how does the US financial system differ from the one in your home country?
Well, I came here as a student. I was just 22 or 23 years old. I feel that this is more credit oriented economy or the financial system versus my country. It was more conservative, so savings and not spending is the psychology, as compared to here we want to buy more and spend whatever we earn, and the saving is really not sometimes the priority.
What's one mistake or surprise you faced after moving here?
Well, I didn't know how credit card worked. So obviously, when I applied for when I came here as a student, the first thing they ask you or lure you into is to apply credit cards, and then the interest part of the credit card is what sometimes we do not understand, and we put a lot of stuff on credit card and we don't pay on time. So the interest, when it hits, then we realize that we should have paid on time, and there is an interest factor, so you have to be mindful when you're investing or when you're using your credit card.
What's something you wish someone would have told you about money when you first arrived here in the US?
I think right from the beginning, of course, credit card is a one thing that they should have made me aware of, that there is a lot of interest charge, and of course the spending habits, because here we tend to spend a lot without thinking much, because you have been given credit card, so you suddenly feel you have a lot of money, and then later on we spend a lot of our income in paying the interest as well as the credit cards. Also, I wasn't so US, actually, if right from the beginning I would have invested a little bit portion of my income in stocks or mutual funds or in investments right from the beginning, I would have probably done way better. And another thing I always feel, so I wasn't exposed to that part. Also, I feel that I think people should always get a financial advisor, and they can invest your money in the right way, which works out pretty well.
If you were talking to a teenager about money in America, what's one lesson you would share?
I would say buy one Amazon stuff less and just buy a stock. Learn trading and I would say that learn about investment. That is one thing right from the beginning. Sometimes we just spend, it is just $100, we just spend on cosmetics which are sometimes unnecessary, but that $100 a month is a big investment when you are a teenager.
And lastly, as a woman, what's one unique financial trait you would share to young girls today?
Okay, so women, they, in my career and in my opinion, that women have tendency that my husband or my boyfriend will manage finance. Young girls also, from what I know from my friends and their kids, women don't pay a lot of attention in the financial matters. So right from the beginning, if they can actually take finance in their hands, they can manage their finance better than even men, and I feel they are well capable of doing that, and they need to not just push that on them and start taking charge of their own finances.
Yeah, awesome. Thank you for your time.
Yes, thanks.
That's it, guys, for this interview. See you guys at the next interview.